The Spectrum Xumo Box is a streaming device from Spectrum, which is part of Charter Communications. It serves as a bridge between traditional cable TV and modern streaming services, combining them on one platform. As of September 2025, it provides Spectrum subscribers with access to live TV channels, on-demand shows, and free streaming apps, all without needing additional subscriptions for the basic features. To set up the Spectrum Xumo Box, you'll need several items. Let's go through what you need. First, you need the Xumo Box itself, an HDMI cable to connect it to your TV, and a power adapter to plug it in. You'll also need a TV that has an HDMI port, the Xumo remote control that's included, and a Spectrum internet connection with at least 25 Mbps for standard definition or 100 Mbps for high definition or 4K streaming. The device is designed to be simple and user-friendly, even for people who aren't tech experts. First, connect the Xumo Box to your TV using the HDMI cable. Then plug the Xumo Box into a power outlet. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input where the Xumo Box is connected. The Xumo Box will power up and display the Spectrum logo on your screen. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Enter your Spectrum account information and follow the on-screen prompts to link your account. The box might prompt you to update its software. Allow this to happen for the best performance. To use the box, navigate the home screen using the remote. You can access live TV, on-demand content, and apps from the tiles. Use the voice remote to search hands-free across content. If you have issues, try restarting the device by unplugging and replugging it. Contact Spectrum support if problems persist.